Explore with confidence in your RV with EliteEPK. Your travel health companion awaits. Meet Jim and Linda, avid RV explorers who travel North America. Like them, you understand the importance of being prepared on your adventures. That's why the Elite Emergency Prescription Kit is essential for every long-haul RVer. Packed with doctor-prescribed medications, our kit ensures you're equipped for any health challenges on the road. From managing sudden ailments to keeping up with regular medications, the EliteEPK offers peace of mind for every mile of your journey. Easy to order and delivered directly to your RV, it's the perfect travel health companion for those who cherish their freedom and well-being. Don't let health concerns slow down your adventures. Visit EliteEPK.com today and secure your Elite Emergency Prescription Kit. Because when it comes to RV travel, being prepared means enjoying the journey with confidence. Get your kit today at EliteEPK.com.